You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Solving the specimen paper 1, question 2, first language English, reading, examination from 2027. Candidates respond to two sub-questions which include summary writing and analysis of the author's attitude. Question 2a, summary writing. Read the question carefully and identify the focus. The task is to summarize arguments against cloning as a way to protect endangered species. Example, the Takhi horse. 10 marks are awarded for reading, so your content should include 10 distinct ideas that demonstrate the understanding of both explicit and implicit meanings, supported by specific information. Related ideas may be combined if necessary. 5 marks are awarded for the quality of your writing, including expression, organization, and sentence structure. This means writing in one paragraph, using full sentences, avoiding bullet points, using your own words, and staying within the word limit. The summary should be structured with a clear topic sentence that refers to the focus of the summary, followed by 10 distinct ideas linked with appropriate transitions. Read the text to annotate the relevant ideas, number them, and then rephrase them using your own words so they fit the structure of the summary. First detail. This amazing technology has rarely been considered for endangered animals, can be interpreted as, first idea, it has not been widely used with endangered species to date. Second detail can be rehashed as, second idea, there have been many failed attempts with only the second cloned foal proving successful. Details 3 and 4 can be translated as, third idea, it is a slow and expensive process that can take decades. Continue reading the text to annotate the relevant ideas, number them, and then rephrase them using your own words so they fit the structure of the summary. Details 5, 6, and 7 can be summarized as, fourth idea, it is not currently viable, as not every species is suitable and the necessary cell samples are not always available. Detail 8 can be paraphrased as, fifth idea, conventional breeding programs have been more successful, reintroducing far more animals into the wild through captive breeding in zoos. Detail 9 can be rephrased as, sixth idea, cloning is viewed as interference with nature. Detail 10 can be reworded as, seventh idea, the process can result in genetic abnormalities. Detail 11 can be rewritten as, eighth idea, many early cloned animals died young or suffered from serious health problems. Detail 12 can be restructured as, ninth idea, cloned animals are not released directly into the wild, only their descendants are eventually reintroduced. Detail 13 can be restated as, 10th idea, cloning can divert attention from more urgent environmental action. Your summary should be similar to this and should be between 100 and 120 words. To assess the content of the summary, out of 10 marks, evaluators use the following marking criteria. To assess the quality of the summary, out of 5 marks, evaluators use the following marking criteria. 2b is an author's attitude question worth 5 marks. First, read the question carefully and identify its focus. It is about the writer's attitude towards the cloning of endangered animals. This question is aligned with reading standards 2 and 3, which assess students' ability to analyze, evaluate, and develop facts, ideas, and opinions using appropriate evidence from the text. The structure of the response should include a reference to three attitudes, the reasons for those attitudes, and supporting evidence for each based on the focus of the question. Read the text to annotate the relevant details, number them, and then identify the attitude expressed and the reason for it so that it fits the required structure. First detail, disappointingly rarely considered, the author expresses frustration that cloning is not used more widely. Second detail, amazing technology, the author conveys excitement about its potential. Third detail, understandably expensive, the author demonstrates acceptance of its limitations. Continue reading the text to annotate the relevant details, number them, and then identify the attitude expressed and the reason for it so that it fits the required structure. Fourth detail, evidence and attitude. Fifth detail, evidence and attitude. Sixth detail, evidence and attitude. As the question requires only three details, select the most relevant three and use them to formulate your response. Your final response should be similar to one of these two examples. Evaluators use the following marking criteria to assess your response out of 5 marks for reading, which tests assessment objectives R2 and R3. That's it for now. Thanks for learning tomorrow's lessons today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment below with your questions and insights. Let's keep learning together.